In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum to everyone and very good morning to all of my dear students. I am your teacher of subject English. So let's start today's lecture. So first of all, let me tell you about day and date. So dear students, today is 6th of January 2021 and day is Wednesday. Okay. Let's move ahead to see the topic of today's lecture. First of all, I would like to tell you it's unit 9, the naughty monkey, which we have already read in our previous lecture, and today we are going to the book work. Okay, today we are going to the book work. So the topic is book work, question number 1 of A part, which is given on page 78, and then we are going to do the B part. B part, it comprises only one question. Okay, there is no question 1 or 2, it's only B part, which is the find words. Okay, and then on the page 79, C part, there is a question 1 which we are going to do in our today's lecture. Okay, means today we are going to do 3 questions on the book work, on the book page given 78 and 79. So please everyone take out your book. Let me give you the brief theme of the naughty monkey. Even what was the recap of the naughty monkey? So I'm just going to recall the naughty monkey, a brief theme. Okay, so it's comprises on actually 2 men who are cutting the log. Okay, who are cutting the log with the help of the saw, and there are some monkeys came, like 3-4 monkeys, and if you remember that from among of them, one of the monkey is very naughty, that he didn't listen to his mother, and monkey's mother has been saying to the naughty monkey that don't jump, don't dance on the log, and if you want to climb up the tree, so you can go up with the other monkeys, but don't jump on the log. But the monkey didn't listen, and he did the same, like he started to jump on the log and he started to dance on it as well. Okay, he started to dance on it as well. And then what went wrong with that monkey? Because if you remember that 2 men were cutting the log with the help of saw, and they wanted to take rest, then they put the piece of wood, like the wedge, in front, in between that log. Okay, and then the monkey just pull that wedge out, and his tail stuck in between the log. Okay, so that was all about the story. So come to the page number 78. There is a question number 2, which is mark the sentences true T or false F. Correct the false sentences, write them in your notebook. यानी कि आप इसको अपनी नोटबुक पे भी काम कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज यू इट वुड बी अप्रोप्रिएट इफ़ यू डू इट ऑन योर बुक एज वेल. ठीक है, आप इस पे बुक पे भी कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज द बॉक्सेस आर गिवन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, इन फ्रंट ऑफ द every statement. Okay, so I'm going to say the statement one by one. The old monkey, number 1, the old monkey was naughty. Now you have to guess by the story, because we have already read the story, so we all know the theme of the story. So now you have to guess. अब आप लोगों में से किसी एक बच्चे ने जल्दी से guess करना है कि क्या old monkey जो है वो शरारती था. Who is going to answer me? कौन आंसर देगा सबसे पहले? Okay, yes, very good. Okay, I knew that everyone got the answer. The old monkey was naughty. तो ये क्या फॉल्स है. ओल्ड मंकी तो वो नॉटी नहीं था, बल्कि जो छोटा बेबी मंकी था वो नॉटी था. ठीक है, सो द आंसर इज फॉल्स. नंबर 2, 3 men वर कटिंग द वुड. 3 men यानी कि 3 आदमी जो हैं वो वुड को कटिंग कर रहे थे. 3 men कर रहे थे कि 2 men कर रहे थे? इफ़ यू सी द पिक्चर विच इज़ गिवन ऑन द पेज 76, सो यू वुड लेट नो दैट देर वर 2 men हु वर कटिंग द वुड. तो ये भी फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट है. ठीक है, ये गलत है. नंबर 3, द लॉग वॉज क्वाइट स्मॉल. क्या जो लॉग है, जो लकड़ी का टुकड़ा है, वो क्या छोटा सा था? नो इट वॉज क्वाइट बिग, ये बहुत ज़्यादा बिग था. इफ़ यू गो टू द पेज नंबर 77, सो देर इज़ अ पिक्चर ऑफ द लॉग. सो द पिक्चर ऑफ द लॉग वॉज वेरी बिग. ठीक है, स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. नंबर 4, द मंकी डिड नॉट लिसन टू हिज मदर. मंकी ने अपनी मम्मा की बात सुनी थी कि नहीं सुनी थी? तो क्या हुआ था? मंकी डिड नॉट लिसन हिज मदर. ये स्टेटमेंट बिल्कुल सही है. मंकी ने मम्मा की बात नहीं सुनी थी. दैट्स वाई हिज टेल स्टक इन बिटवीन द लॉग. ओके, नंबर लास्ट है 6, द मंकी जम्प्ड अप ऑन टू द लॉग. क्या मंकी ने जंप किया था लॉग के ऊपर? सो यस, मंकी जो है, द मंकी वॉज जंपिंग ऑन द लॉग. ओके, फ्रॉम दिस वे यू हैव टू पुट फॉल्स और ट्रू. okay, these are the answers: false, 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 true, true. Okay, now on the same page, come down, there is a B part, working with words. Working with words यानी कि हमने words के साथ play करना है. Find words in the story beginning with M, W, S, P or D. If you see, there is a word given M and then W and then S and then P. Okay, there are some letters given. You have to make the words, you have to find the words from the story. Okay, now dear students, go back to the page 76 and 77. You will find many words starting with the M, starting with the W, starting with the S, starting with the P or starting with the D. So you have to circle the words and then you have to write down, like हर letter के नीचे on the given space, M के नीचे M से words लिखने हैं, W के नीचे W से word, S के नीचे S से word. ठीक है, like I am giving you one example. M से क्या होगा? If we go to the page 76, so we will let know many words starting with the M, like in the first line men आ रहे हैं, and then if we go to the last second last passage, like it was hard work, the men also starting with the M. men आ गया, monkey आ गया, maid आ गया, and maid आ गया, and then there is a mother is also given on the page 77. ठीक है, ये सारे वर्ड्स आपने लाइन में लिखना है. अब W से कौन से वर्ड्स हैं? विच वर्ड्स वी कैन फाइंड आउट इन आवर स्टोरी विच आर स्टार्टिंग विद द initial letter of W say, so we are going to find it. Number 1 word is work. ठीक है, in the first line we can find out working. ठीक है, work, फिर उसके बाद they were, तो W से start हो रहा है work, और फिर wood, we can see the word here, they made a deep cut in the wood. Okay, wood को भी लिखना है. फिर उसके बाद veg also is given on the page 76. ठीक है, now come to the next line S. Now we have to find the words starting with the S, like saw, SW, saw, swish, soon, sat. ये सारे वर्ड्स पेज 76 के ऊपर दिए हुए हैं. ठीक है, now we will find word with the P से क्या है? pull and push, like they were pulling the saw and they're pushing. ठीक है, pull, push and put. and D से है deep, down, dance, day. Okay, you can do this work on the page 78. ठीक है, there are some space given, so you have to do this work on the page 78. Okay, this is the answer. You can take the screenshot of the answer as well. If you couldn't see the image very well, so you can text me in the group. I will send you the picture of this answer. Okay, now come to the page 79. There is a question C part, learning about language. Read the sentences, look at the doing words. Rida eats mangoes every day. Rida is eating a mango now. Rida ate a mango yesterday. Means doing words क्या है? eat, वो खाती है. ठीक है, eating वो खा रही है. ate second form की उसने खाई थी yesterday. ठीक है, अब हमने क्या करना है? विच डूइंग वर्ड्स टेल अस अबाउट द पास्ट. कौन से डूइंग वर्ड्स हैं जो हमें पास्ट के बारे में बताने हैं? राइट दम इन द ब्लैंक्स. ठीक है, इफ़ यू सी the example which is given on the page 79, Rida eats mango means she eats mango every day. Okay, it's not past, वो रोज़ खाती है. she is eating mango, वो अभी खा रही है. it's not past, she ate mango, उसने खाया था एक मैंगो, यानी कि उसने कल मैंगो खाया था. so that is telling us about the past, the second form. ठीक है, second form. अब हमने कहना look, there is example is given in front of you. looked, she looked बी में क्या, सी, सॉ उसने देखा, सी मैंने देखा, सी मैंने देखती है, सॉ उसने देखा, पास्ट फॉर्म आ गया। वॉक, वॉकड, यानी कि हर वर्ड के साथ दीज आर ऑल द डूइंग वर्ड्स, मीन्स टू डू सम एक्शंस, आपने सबके आगे ईडी लगा देना। लॉफ, लॉफ्ट, प्ले, प्लेड, शाउट, शाउटेड, फाइंड, फाउंड, ठीक है, फाइंड के साथ फाउंड आएगा। ईट, एट, ड्रिंक, ड्रैंक, रन, रैन, ठीक है। फ्रॉम दिस वे यू हैव टू डू दिस क्वेश्चन। इट्स ऑल कॉल्ड डूइंग वर्ड्स विच आई हैव एलेबोरेट वेरी वेल इन आवर डूइंग वर्ड्स, ठीक है, जो मैंने आपको पहले एलेबोरेट कर दिया मैं। दीज आर द गिवन आंसर्स, ओके, ये सब आंसर दिए मैं, आपने सब फॉर्म किया गया, ईडी लगाना है। होमवर्क इज दिस, that do book work which I have explained, okay. I hope that you enjoyed your lecture. Take care of yourself, remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.